Hello friends, welcome to my channel Science Learner. In today's video again I will say about the circular that today we got from the examining authority government of Karnataka. So in this what is given that we will check, but meanwhile the students those who took the admission in 2020, they are also waiting for the exam date sheet. So if any new information is there, that meanwhile I will inform you. So let's first check what is given in this circular. So here see, the date is given. Today we got 5th Jan 2022. So what is this? Calendar of the event for the D Pharma Part 1 for the academic year 2021-22. Means the student those who took the admission in 2021, means last year. So for them the calendar of events we got today. So let's check what are the events. So First is date of commencement of the D Pharma Part 1 classes. Means classes has to start online or offline from 17th January 2022. And second is last date for the payment of the affiliation fees, annual and services charges is given 31st 1 2022. And third is given online uploading of the admission statement on the board web portal. Yani ki if suppose student took the admission, so overall admission statement has to fill between the date 31st Jan 2022 this year to 15th Feb 2022. Next is given ki last date for the submission of original documents. Means a student has to bring the original documents and they has to submit in the college. Then college has to send this original documents in the following date is given 29th April 2022. So first is given affiliation fees and registration fees. Karnataka and non-Karnataka student has to fill in this date only, 29th April. Second is attested copy of the PCI approval of the current academic year 2021-22. This college will give to the examining authority. Third is the original POC marks student has to give to the college. Then original transfer certificate. Then fifth is uploaded candidate list in duplicate, and sixth is attested Xerox copy of the SSLC marks card. Now fifth is last date for the submission of the pending document. If suppose any student has failed to submit the document, so the last date is also given, that is the 12th May 2022. Sixth is college wise verification of the document for the admission approval is given May or June 2022. Seventh is date of commencement of first, second and third sessional exams. Any sessional exam has to complete in which month? So let's check. That is the first sessional exam should be completed in the March 2022. Second sessional exam should have to complete in May 2022, and third sessional exam in July 2022. And here what is given, marks of each sessional exam shall be submitted to the board 20 days after the completion of each exam. So this much is written in this circular, and as in the beginning I said, okay, I will inform if any new information is there. So today also I checked everywhere in PCI and this examining authority web, but I didn't get any new information. So the student those who took the admission in 2020 and they are waiting for the exams, first year exams, which has before I uploaded one circular. In that video it was given ki in January exams will be there, but still the date sheet has not come. So we are also waiting. As soon as we will get, we will inform you. You joined with me, so you make a continuation with me with my channel. So as soon as we will get the information, I will inform you. Till then, take care. Thank you.